Welcome to Ngobo 1010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. This is Ngobo 1010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Sisunjani?
Happy njani Puti?
Ngiyaphila ukwateni ngala.
Mina I'm not happy actually because of ngale game beyidlaliwa lapha. Ngakhe ikhosi ijabulele ukuthi idrawile. Angeke bajabule for lokho. Because lento ngiyibonile bona ibhola yabo idlalela emuva always. Abakwazi ukuthi baphambi ibhola always bayise emapaleni. Bona babamba ibhola always bayise emuva. Angaze emuva babeke in. And Peterson Peterson, if you are tired of that goalkeeper to be goalkeeper, that better to quit. Because Peterson angasafuna ukubamba ibhola. Uye wayenza ukuthi ibe draw. And lento ngiyibonayo iSundowns namhlanje bekufana iChiefs befana iwin actually. iChiefs befana iwin actually. Because lento ngiyibonile iSundowns bengekho eground in total. Bebangekho abafana beChiefs. And uVilla hayi sele bafana bayaqhoma lamalanga. Abasadlala ibhola lamalanga sebayazibona bena. Cela indlala ibhola bafowethu. Le bhola masidlala sidlalela ukuwina sidlalela ukudraw. Idraw angeke nisindawo bafowethu. Ukuthi nihlala iphezulu ayikhulumi. Sihlala iphezulu siphezulu thina sidlula amakhosi. Ningabheki ukuthi iPirates isezansi kwenu. Dlalani ibhola amakhosi. And lento ngiyibonayo nina amafan weChiefs anifuna ukuhamba amabhola wenu. Anisafuna ukuba support labantu. I was here on Wednesday. Beningekho nina amakhosi.
Bathi kade kubanda.
Nihlaleleni kuyabanda kubandi hozani ni support.
Amen.
Ningabheki ukuthi kuyabanda ba support bafuna isupport yanu labantu. Ukuthi bakhona ukuwina.
Siyabonga sisi.
Thank you.
Nda barbeni. Hayi umnani. Rethoma ngagayi.
Are Tome Matomo.
Okay, chenere kodwamba chonchore makhosi. Aritanganeze zenzo kweti ya hona. Ari the stadium or support team ya Boreni.
Yeah.
Arena mabakani ya Daza Arena pala. Full sold out.
Arena ina 35,000. FNB ina 90,000.
Namosi odala ngabugayi.
Namosi odala nga 45.
I think ndobala nchisa za zitu zono bara 68,000 sold out. Okay, arjene ka bola zwino. Masanda wana na makhosi. Arilebuwe nga support energy sub FNB.
Yeah.
Taizo ndi ntripes. Arali chiswe yo winner. Role ngasi adero ngasi mushumo ngore badori bako tamba Spain, England, Argentina. Yeah. So arali eziloni point untintri. I'm very happy.
Fair game for you.
Fair game. Machelo uchite yatoza mapungwe headlines.
And in the Richards Bay. Hey.
It's a cheap, I think.
Only cheaper.
It's a cheap. It's a headlines.
And the cheaper.
So, Ariteso, Makosi, thank you a lot. Sundawan, thank you a lot. But the problem is, you have only 9 points ahead. Or 6 points ahead. As long as Arena, we are not there, but we'll be there. Headlines will be everywhere, so we're turning all newspapers. Tozamapungo headlines. Vasa, what I said, I thank you a lot. What you are doing for us, it's a lot. I think when Lodge is doing one thing, I will with you Skukune there.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Ndikoba umbela ne. Kasivenda.
Yeah.
Or kasizolo again. Basika unjamisa. Basika ofeta amatha.
No, thank you so much.
What you are doing is so much because at home Limpopo. There's no TV sometimes. What depends on the families. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much.
But Pirates today, we are very happy by the draw.
I
love you.
I love you too.